Assalamu alaikum. My name is Insha Fatma and my roll number is SP24BAC023. Today I will be discussing the different ethnic groups of Pakistan. Basically, Pakistan is a very diverse country and many racial and ethnic groups are found in Pakistan. First, we will be discussing ethnicity. Ethnicity will be described as a group of people having shared experiences, meaning people from the same nation can have different experiences overall, and they can have different ethnicities as well. Then we are going to be discussing what race and ethnicity means. Race is a term that is more referred towards the physical appearance of a person, for example, their color and their facial features, while ethnicity is a term that refers more towards the social and cultural characteristics or the background of a person. Now I'm going to discuss the different ethnic groups of Pakistan. Pakistan that has five provinces, and each province has many different ethnic groups that could be divided on the basis of caste, language, or similar historical hardships, or even just because they live in the same common area. Now, here are the different ethnic groups in percentage of Pakistan. We have these different groups. We have Sindhi, Pashtuns, Balochi, and Punjabis, and we have other minor groups such as Mahajir, Hazara, Memon, and Balti people. And these all have different percentages according to their population in Pakistan. These are the Indo-Aryan ethno-linguistic group who speak the Sindhi language and are native to the Sindh province of Pakistan. Sindhis are a somewhat smaller group of the Sindh, and the remaining population of the Sindh is consisted of Mohajir who fled the Pakistan after the partition. Sindh also has a smaller group of Hindus and Sikh people that are mostly concentrated in the eastern Sindh. The Punjabis are an ethnic group of Indo-Aryan people originating from Punjab with the population of 150 million people. The Punjabis are the second largest ethnic groups in South Asia. The Pashtun and the Baluchis are the largest ethnic groups that span the region of the present-day Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Iran. Pashtun make up 15% of Pakistan's population, while Baluchis make up over 5% of population of Pakistan. Now we are going to be discussing ethnic inequalities. Ethnic inequalities can be defined as a differential access to opportunities, resources, and overall life chances based on the individual or ethnic group identification or expression. Basically, अगर आपको आपके ethnic group की वजह से आपको discrimination का सामना हो तो आपको ethnic inequality का सामना करना है. एंड हमारे पास एथनिक इनक्वालिटीज़ तीन तरह के बेसिस पे होती हैं. बेसिस ऑफ लैंग्वेज, बेसिस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ लैंग्वेज, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ टेरिटरी, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कास्ट. बेसिकली ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ लैंग्वेज आपको जो एथनिक इनक्वालिटीज़ जो आपको फेस करनी पड़ती हैं उसमें आपके पास फॉर एग्जांपल पाकिस्तान इज़ अ multilingual state where Pakistan Sindhi, Baluchi, Punjabi and Muhajir and Saraiki identities are expressed through Pashto, Sindhi, Baluchi, Punjabi, Urdu and Saraiki languages. If one of the group languages is dismissed, then that group is facing ethnic inequality. Now we have to, for reducing the ethnic inequality, we need a multifaceted approach that addresses social, economic, and political and cultural dimensions. Now, the first thing we have to do is promote inclusive policies that include all of our various ethnic groups. Then we have to strengthen our political representation of different ethnic groups, and we have to encourage and facilitate political participation. We have to incorporate history and culture and contribution of different ethnic groups in our educational reforms. And we have to promote cultural recognition, respect, and we have to respect them. And we have to provide them with strong legal framework to provide a better chance for chance and opportunity for them.